Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaizas Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful baby blanket, which is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. Using this pattern you can crochet any size of this afghan. Even for the adult you can make it. This is 3D crochet pattern. Here we are going to repeat only one row till the end of this project. For this project I didn't make any border because this pattern itself has a nice edging for the four sides, so we don't want to crochet a separate border. And this pattern was very easy and you can quickly crochet this blanket. The size for this blanket is it comes the width, it is 42 inches, and the height also it is 42 inches, so it's a perfect square blanket. For this project I used 100% acrylic yarn. It's from Himalaya Super Soft Yarn. The color code is 80841 and it has 200 grams and 328 meters. The hook size they recommend is 5 mm, so I used here 5 mm hook size. This yarn is very nice for the baby blankets or the afghan pattern, and you can crochet this pattern very quickly using this yarn. So if you are watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification. Also don't forget to give your thumbs up so that it will reach many of the people, and if you think any of your friends or family will like this or it will be useful for them, don't forget to share with them as well. So without further delay, let's start our project. We'll start this project with the slip knot. I'm going to make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So this is multiples of 5, so we got here 20 chains, and again I'm going to make 1 2 3 4 chains extra. So multiples of 5 plus 4 into the very first chain, not in this, into the very first I'm going to make one single crochet and then chain 1, yarn over, going to skip the next chain, and into the second we'll make one double crochet, again into the next we'll make one double crochet, again into the third we'll make one double crochet, and into the fourth we'll make one double crochet. So we got here 4 double crochet stitches. After this single crochet, chain 1, we'll skip the next chain, into the second we'll make one double crochet, into this we'll make one double crochet, and then here we'll make one double crochet, again into the next we'll make one double crochet. That's the fourth one. After making these 4 double crochet stitches, we are going to make chain 1, yarn over, and then we'll skip the next chain. That's here. Let's skip this one, and to the next we'll make one double crochet, 2 3 4, again chain 1, going to skip the next chain, and to the second we'll make one double crochet, 2 3 and the fourth one, it is here. Again chain 1, we are going to skip the next chain, and to the last we'll make one single crochet. So this is our first row. In the first row we made chains, which is multiples of 5 plus 4, and then we started off with a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 4 double 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 crochet, chain 1, and the last one we made the single crochet. Now let's turn this project. I'm going to make into the very first single crochet a single crochet, 1 into the second loop inside the hook and make a single crochet, again inside the hook into the very second loop and make a single crochet. Instead of these single crochets, you can make chains also, 3 chains that we will consider as a double crochet, and then yarn over. Here we have the space, chain 1 space, we are going to make 1 double crochet, and then here we have 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4, and to the fourth I'm going to make front post single crochet. Make chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over. Here we have chain 1 space, let's insert the hook and pull up the yarn, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, again make 1 more double crochet, 2, 1 more double crochet, 3 double crochets here. Again we'll skip 3 double crochets here, 1 2 3, we'll skip this, go into this, we'll make front post single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over. Here we have the space, going to make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Again let's skip these 3 into this, we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, we'll make inside 3 double crochets, 1 2 and the third one. Again let's insert the hook into this, we'll make single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, going to make inside 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and then here we'll make front post double crochet into the very last double crochet. Then turn the project. Into this we are going to make inside the hook, top of this front post double crochet, make 1 single crochet, again inside the hook into the second loop of this, make 1 single crochet, into the second loop again make 1 more single crochet, yarn over. Here we have the space in between, we are going to make 1 double crochet, and then here we have 3 double crochets, go back to this third one, we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. Here we have the space, in the same space we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Again let's come to the next cluster. Here we have 3 double crochets, go to this third one, make a single crochet, front post single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. In here in this space we are going to make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Again go to the next, here we have 3 double crochet, we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, and then into this we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 3. Again here we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over. Here we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Here we have the double crochet, this 3 single crochets we made in the last row, so there I'm going to make a front post double crochet. Turn the project. Here we got our third row, inside the hook into the very first, make a single crochet, into the second loop again make a single crochet, into the second loop. Again we'll make a single crochet, yarn over. Here we have the space. In this space we are going to make one double crochet, and then third double crochet will make a front post double crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over. Here we have the space. Let's make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, and then here we have 3 double crochets. Let's go to this third one, make a single crochet, front post single crochet, and then 3 chain into this. We'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Again we'll go to this third double crochet, make a single crochet, and then 3 chain into this. We'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Again here we have the third double crochet. Let's make one single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. Here inside we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. We made here 3 double crochet stitches. Here into this we'll make one single crochet. So that's the end of this row. Here this is how we are going to repeat till the end of this project. Let's turn the project. Into this very first we'll make one single crochet, into the second loop we'll make one more single crochet, into the second loop we'll make one more single crochet. So this is our first double crochet, and then yarn over. Here we have the space. Let's make one double crochet, and then into the third we'll make one single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. Into this we are going to make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3 double crochets. Again into the third we'll make one single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. Here we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and then into the third we'll make one single crochet, chain 1 2 3, we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Here we'll make into the third one single crochet, chain 3, into this we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. And then here we have the double crochet or 3 chains we made here. There I'm going to make one single crochet. Let's turn the project. So this is how, here you can see the edges are very nice. Here in the top we will get like this zigzag, and down we have the straight edge, and the other sides also, here also we have the straight edges. It's very easy. So we are going to repeat the same pattern till you get to your desired size for the project. So here for the bigger blanket which I made already, for this I made 150 chains plus 4. So you can go ahead with the 150 chains, or just take the measurement of your foundation chains, and you will know how many chains you have to take to finish your project according to your size. So here let's make a chain, and I'm going to snip off this yarn. And then pull this tightly, then we can weave this inside using the hook. So it's very easy and quick project. If you wish to crochet a baby blanket or the Afghan pattern, this would be the easiest pattern for you. So here our 3D baby blanket pattern is ready. I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial very well. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give your thumbs up, share and comment. Thank you.